Good morning everyone, especially to Ma'am Kimberly. Good morning, Ma'am. So today we report about the introduction of history, the definition, issues, source, and methodology. So for me, history is about a branch of knowledge that records and explain past events. So, according to this chapter 1, history as a discipline and as a narrative, it presents the definition of the history, which transcends the common definition of history, the study of the past. So, history, it is the study of the past events. So, in history, they have a definition, right? What is definition? When we say definition, is a statement of the meaning of a word or word group, sign, or symbol. So, definition is a statement of the meaning of word or word group, sign, or symbol in a information or data. Source. It is the one that supply information. Methodology. The analysis of the principles of procedure of inquiry in a particular field. How about definition and subject matter? In history, they have a definition and subject matter because they explain the statement of the meaning. According to this chapter, history was derived from the Greek word historia, which means knowledge acquired through inquiry or investigation. Next, question and issues in history. In history, they have a question and issues to know the true statement of information or data regarding to this chapter. There are many different questions like what is history, why study history, and history for whom. This question can be answered by historiography. Historiography is about the history of history, especially is the writing. History based on the critical examination of source, the selection of particulars from the authentic materials, and the synthesis of particulars into a narrative that will stand the test of critical method. So, in question and issues in history, it is many different questions of history. But in history can be answered by the historiography. Next, history and historian. What is history? History is the study of the past, while historian is a person who studies and writes about the past and is regarded as an authority on it. Historians are concerned with continuous methodological narrative and research of past events as relating to the human race as well as the study of all history in time. So, history is the study of the past, while historian it is a person who studies and writes about the past. So, last but not the least, historical source. What is historical source? Historical source are at their most basic level, something that tells about history. It may be a document, a book, or an object. So historical source tells about the history. So yun lang po. That's all. Thank you.